welcome back to my channel. I know I'm saying this after such a long time, but I really hope everybody at your home is safe. Please do not step out of your houses unless it's absolutely necessary. Follow all government guidelines, and let's hope all of this would be over very soon. Before starting the haul, I just want to tell you that all of these items that I'm about to show you have been bought way before in March or even end of February. I wouldn't recommend you to buy anything during this lockdown because I don't personally think it's safe. Also, these online shopping websites are not delivering right now. I think they're not shipping only. So just wishlist everything you want and order it when it's safe. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I just have two things from Koofs, so let's finish them off first. The very first thing that I got is this tie-dye skirt. It's a tie-dye print in orange and pink. I think the combination looks very nice. It has an elastic at the waist and it comes below the knee. It's like a midi skirt, so I really like it. I really wanted a slit in it, so I somehow convinced my mom to just cut it at the side. So we made a slit ourselves. Because Goa जा रही थी मैं and beach पे without a slit I think it would have looked just boring. I'm going to insert a picture right here so you can see how it looks on me. This has a very swimsuit type material. बहुत अच्छा fit देता है and I really like it. This was very cheap as well. Koofs had an offer going on. I think they had flat 60% off. That was when I ordered it. So I got it at a very nice deal as well. The second thing that I got from Koofs is this blingy dress. I ordered it in a large size which was very loose. So I got it altered. It has a zip at the back. One thing that I really liked about it was that I'm obsessed with animal prints, and it had glitter as well as animal prints combined. So I could not stop myself from buying it. Also, it has a very different chain detailing as straps, but एक बहुत बड़ी problem है इसके साथ कि इसके straps ना निकलते रहते हैं. So if you've seen my Goa vlog, you must know मेरे birthday eve पे भी यही हुआ था. By the way, this is the dress that I wore on my birthday eve. I think it looked very nice. Again, I'm going to insert a picture right here on the screen so you can see how it looks. इसके यहाँ पे ऐसे circular hook है जिसमें they have inserted this chain. So the circular hook is not very tight, so the chain keeps slipping off. The quality is also really nice. There is a lining inside. The length of the dress is a little too long. It's not a midi dress, so I think it should have been a little shorter. So the next time I'm going to wear it, I'm definitely going to get it altered. The next thing that I got are these shorts from Zara. They are of extremely good quality. They have a paperback waist. They also have this thing to tie at the waist. The best thing about them is that they have pockets. I love dresses and shorts which have pockets. Also, this is so structured and gives such a nice fit. I got it on sale from Zara for 790 rupees. I think 790 for these shorts is such a good price. I'm sure I am going to wear these a lot. The next thing that I got is this blingy romper from H&M. It has an elastic waist. Also, this is in the size medium, but ये काफी ज़्यादा बड़ा है. इसके straps भी काफी बड़े हैं. So I had to make a knot so that the neck is not too deep. It has a V-neck. I think V-neck is very flattering. So the shorts part of it is very baggy. So somehow it appears to be a dress, but it's not. It's a romper. It's extremely comfortable. Usually blingy चीजें हल्की से uncomfortable होती हैं and skin पर चुभती हैं, but it's not the case with this one. I wore a belt along with it क्योंकि ये काफी ज़्यादा loose and baggy लग रहा था. I wanted to give it some structure, so I wore it with a belt. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. I post a lot of pictures. Nowadays, I'm posting a lot of makeup tutorials as well, which I am sure you'll love a lot. Anyway, this was also on sale, I think. मैंने mostly सारे कपड़े sale पे या किसी deal पर लिए हैं. And I think this was for 700 rupees. Yeah, this was for 699 rupees. The next thing that I got is again from H&M. I got this slip dress. It's in this very pretty zebra print. Also, it has a cowl neck, as you can see. It's strappy, it flows on your body. It looks extremely nice and feminine. I did not get a chance to wear this in Goa, but as you can see, animal print is my absolute favorite and I can't wait to wear it. This was also just for rupees 699. Both of these things were for 700 rupees. Now, everything that I'm about to show you is from Shein. I got quite a lot of things from Shein. The very first thing that I got is this maxi dress. It has kind of a halter neck. It ties at the back and it's extremely long and flowy. I'm obsessed with the color maroon. I think it looks very pretty on my skin tone. Also, it has these beige flowers, which I think is a very nice combination. It has an elastic at the waist, so it makes it very comfortable as well. It has a slit also. It was a perfect beach outfit. I did not get a chance to wear this in Goa, but summers are here and I think it is a perfect dress for summers. The next thing that I got is this tie-dye jumpsuit. I don't know, I find tie-dye very beachy, so I got this jumpsuit. It's extremely long. The legs are very long. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा try करा to convince my mom कि मैं इसको cut करके romper बना लूँ, but my mom didn't allow me. Also, it is 100% cotton, so it's very breathable. The neck is very interesting. It ties here. पहले मुझे लगा था मैं इस knot को tight करके I wouldn't have to wear anything inside, but the neck is quite deep, so I had to wear a bralette inside. Nevertheless, it looked very pretty. It's again very flowy, and in the scorching heat on the beach, you need outfits like these. The next thing that I got is this floral romper. I find floral prints very summery. It's black in color and it has these really pretty big flowers on it. Also, the thing that I really like about it is the fact that it comes and ties here. ये ऐसे खुला हुआ था. I've just tied it. When you wear it, it looks like a two-piece set क्योंकि जब हम ये tie करते हैं तो इसमें और शॉर्ट्स में बीच में एक ऐसे बहुत क्यूट सा कट आता है. So it looks like you are wearing a two-piece, but you're not. I think it's a little too big for me. But Shein पे कभी-कभी हल्का सा sizing issue हो ही जाता है. I don't mind the big size. I like things baggy and flowy. Because of the bigger size, the shorts are extremely big for me. But anyway, it looked like a super cute outfit when I wore it. The next thing that I got is this black harem jumpsuit. I think this is such a cool outfit. It has a halter neck, ties at the back. It's backless. I wore it with a maroon bralette inside. It looked so hot. The material is very breathable. It's loose, it's baggy. I teamed it up with the silver handcuff that I have and silver earrings to give it a very boho look. I absolutely loved it. It was so comfortable. The next thing that I got is my absolute favorite outfit. This is the jumpsuit that I wore on my birthday when we went to Thalassa. Please watch my Goa vlog, guys. I am absolutely sure you will enjoy it. Also, Thalassa is such a beautiful place. If you go to Goa, please visit it. It is this baby pink jumpsuit. First of all, the color is absolutely beautiful. It has this knot detailing here at the chest area, and this also has a cut बीच में से. It has this belt from where the legs start. इस belt से क्या होता है कि it gives a very nice structure to your whole body. जिस भी चीजों में belts होती है, whether they are pants or they are jumpsuits like this, they tuck in your tummy so well and they give such a nice fit. This jumpsuit was way too long. When we first went to Goa, Thalassa was on the top of Vagator beach. But this time when we went, Thalassa's location had changed. तो हमें लगा कि Thalassa ना directly beach पर है. This jumpsuit, guys, was extremely lengthy. अगर मैं heels पे पहन लेती ना, उसके बाद भी the legs were just too long. So we decided to cut it. Me and my best friend Nishta, we decided to cut it. हमने काफी minorly इसकी length थोड़ी सी mess up कर दी है, but I absolutely love it. It's so shiny and glossy. Birthday outfits are the best. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है to dress up for my birthday. So I'm really happy that I wore this jumpsuit. It looked so beautiful. I have this picture right in front of a sunset, which I'm going to insert on the screen so you can see how beautiful this looked in the whole setup. So that was it for the haul. I really hope you guys like it. I'm going to leave all the prices and the links in the description box below. Please, guys, I'm going to leave the links, but don't order anything right now. Order it after the lockdown when it's safe. I cannot stress over this enough. That is why I was a little hesitant to film a haul, because even if I end up watching hauls, I get tempted. So don't order right now. Order when it's safe for everyone. We are super close to 4,000 subscribers on this channel. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's grow this family together. I also have a very cool video coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.